So what are we up to here, Heidi? What are we doing?
Picking stinging nettles.
Oh, right, yeah, this is for when we run out of toilet paper, right?
Yep.
Great. How do I do it? What am I doing?
You want to find the young, small ones.
Right.
And pick the tops off.
Is that this?
Yep.
Nice. I got a glove on because it's all stingy. And then
you want to curl it up.
Just squish it all around?
Yep.
Like anyhow?
Yep.
Okay.
Once you've curled it up and you've picked it up from the bottom, then you can eat it and it won't sting. Usually.
I think I just mushed it randomly and I'm just going to hopefully not die.
It might sting, but go for it. You're the guinea pig.
Yeah, that worked out. Alright, a little bit of a sting. Anyway, what are we doing with these stingers apart from chewing them for no reason? Dog! Hello, he's coming to watch. What are we doing with these stingers?
Harvest a bunch and we're gonna,
them up.
Yep, cook them.
Alright.
What are we gonna make with them?
You bastard. Right, it's just a cycling glove. It's not really designed for this. I think it's a bit meshy on top. We are gonna cook breakfast tacos. We've got some eggs, and we've got tacos. Alright, so we've got a big old bag of stinging nettles here. Gonna chuck it in some boiling water. As you can see in the background, we've got a whole bunch of crap. That's pretty much all we have to eat because the apocalypse happened. So we're trying to make food go further, and I'm getting it everywhere, which is gonna be fun to clean up. Gather it up like an idiot.
Let's see if he'll get stung.
It's probably gonna happen. So get your jabber out, and then you can jab it. And that should clean this. We haven't done anything to this, we've just chucked it in. And it will clean itself and de-sting itself. And they squish down that small?
Yep.
Oh, they do squish down pretty small. Alright, other bag. Just carrying death here, I'm terrified. Oh, fuck. Jump, jump, jump. It's like that Family Guy thing with the frog.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah, this is dangerous. I've stung myself 4 times and I was wearing gloves.
We are blanching these for a few minutes because it will neutralize the sting. But we don't want to boil them because then they'll lose flavor.
Alright, so just a little bit of water in the bottom.
Yep.
It's not actually boiling in there.
Yep.
Alright. You got to rinse it or anything?
Nope.
Nope. Just drip it out a bit. Alright, yeah, it's like, ow, fuck, hot. What does it taste like? Yeah, it's kind of minty. You're saying it's in the mint family. It's like mint meets spinach.
Fully.
Cool. So we scrambled up some eggs and some ham. Give it a bit of taste. And mix in all the nettles. Alright, what you done there?
I re-steamed the rice we made yesterday and mixing it in so everything's evenly heated. Perfectly delicious. Oh, don't.
What's that you're taking out there, Heidi? What was that? What was that? Was that some of your hair, was it? That's gross. Take 2. Right, now what? Ooh.
Now we eat.
That looks good. Right, I legit don't know how to fold up a burrito. This looks hard.
You're just gonna eat it.
I'm just gonna do what I'm told, but yeah, I'm curious about how you roll it. All right. Oh. Look good.
You approve?
Tastes healthy. Even though it's full of meat and cheese.
Hi.
So those are pretty good. I've spent my whole childhood and life being terrified of stinging nettles because they have attacked me many, many, many times. But it's good to know they're actual food. We don't really have any vegetables. Like most of the shops are shut and empty, and the only veg I could find at the petrol station. Shush. The only veg I could find at the petrol station was some sad plastic wrapped bell peppers. So having an infinite supply of stinging nettles is great. Now apparently is the best time to get them, early spring. So if you're in quarantine and can't find any vegetables and you're near a field, sneak out, carefully grab yourself some stinging nettles and try not to cough on any strangers or get coughed on yourself. Good luck.
And go cuddle a dog.
And cuddle as many dogs as you can.